Welcome to the Liquid Nomad. I'm Del. Today we're making the Saturn, a bright and tropical gin-based cocktail. This is the Saturn. We're going to start by grabbing a lime and my straight peeler and my channel knife. So it's up to you what you're comfortable with, but for my peeler, I like straight peelers when I want a more firm peel for garnishing, and I go with a wide peeler when I'm trying to avoid pith. The channel knife, I can pull a nice shoestring long peel, which will come into play later. So first, I'm gonna take a nice long peel with my straight peeler. And set that aside. And then with the same lime, take my channel knife, get a nice long shoestring peel. And set that aside. With our horse neck peel, we're gonna trim. And the idea is to take as little off as possible while keeping a straight peel. Trim the edges. That way, we don't have to worry about it later. So, place aside. And into our tin, we're gonna start with Velvet Falernum and Orgeat. For Falernum, I'm using John D. Teller's Velvet Falernum. It's a spiced lime cordial from Barbados. It has nice baking spices and some of that lime zest. So, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mils into the tin. Then for Orgeat, Orgeat being a roasted almond syrup with some light orange flower notes. Libre & Co makes a great Orgeat. I highly recommend this if you don't feel like making some at home. Same thing, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mil into our tin. Then we're going to grab our Passionfruit Syrup. I made a 2-to-1 cane sugar syrup with passion fruit. Not only will this add sweetness, but it also has a tanginess that will help the lemon balance out the sweeter ingredients. And we're gonna go with 1/2 ounce, 15 mils. To finish balancing, our lemon juice. 3/4 ounce, 22.5 mils. If you want to stick to the original recipe, just use 1/2 ounce. Then for our base, I'm using Ford's Gin. It's a great London dry gin. For the price, the quality, I go through a lot of this. Give it a shot, 1.5 ounces, 45 mils into the tin. Now what I like to do when I'm doing a crushed ice cocktail is a whip shake, where I just put a little bit of crushed ice. That way I fully control dilution. Give it a quick shake till I can't hear the ice anymore. Take our glass, I like to fill it halfway with ice. And since there's nothing to strain, we just dump pour right on top. And then top off with some more ice. You take our lime peel from earlier, along with a Luxardo or just any brandy cherry of your choice. And I'm going to use my octopus pick here, put it right down the center. Then I'm going to place on our cherry. And by placing each end onto the end of the pick here. I want to create a little Saturn garnish. Slide it down to the top of the pick. That float in the middle right there. Place that into our glass. And I'm going to use high impact glassware from Surfside Sips, my custom octopus straw. This is the Saturn. When first created by Joseph, the cocktail was named the X-15 after a rocket plane. With the failure of this rocket and successful launch of the Apollo ship into space using Saturn rockets, the cocktail was renamed the Saturn and entered into competition months later. You can find the Saturn served up, on the rocks, crushed ice, or even frozen. Okay, so here's why I like this drink. It's simply just balanced brightness. Botanicals from the gin are really coming through. You have the Orgeat. It's a small amount, but it adds some body to the cocktail because it's viscous, but it's also very savory. The velvet Falernum has these baking spices and lime zest that balance really well with the citrus components of the lemon and the Passionfruit Syrup, which are not only bring sweetness, but a tanginess. It's just a well-balanced cocktail. It's crushable. It's easy to make. For this cocktail, we're at Dutch Courage in Baltimore, Maryland. Dutch Courage is a gin-focused craft cocktail bar at the corner of North Charles and 23rd in the Old Goucher area of Baltimore. Their large cocktail list showcases a wide variety of styles and flavors. With a beautiful bar and sunlit dining, the indoor and outdoor spaces of Dutch Courage are vibrant and welcoming. While gin-focused, on and off menu cocktails are carefully curated by a talented bar team, using house tinctures, syrups, juices, modifiers, and other spirits. If you're interested in the bar gear used, support small businesses and artisans by checking out my handmade products and bar gear affiliates in the description below with attached discount codes. It helps us as a channel, them as a business, and you save money. If you tried the Saturn, or have a cocktail you want to see me make, let's keep the conversation going in the comments section. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.